Let me go over a trade that I took today on S&P futures. Today I took the micro contracts. So when I came in the morning, let's do the replay function here. I was watching price gapping up overnight. And something I like to do on the higher time frames is just mark out my levels. So I see previously this was a zone that broke out. When price broke this level, it really flushed down. So I was watching this zone right here. On the 30-minute time frame, I also saw that this aligned with this 30-minute gap. So this was a level of interest. I see price tested it pre-market and we were selling off. So looking at the hourly time frame, I see we had this strong push, but at the same time, we see this topping tail. We see a strong upper wick and sellers really push price down here. And we see a series of two 1-hour candles that completely negated the buyers in this hourly candle right here. So I was seeing potential for buyers to get trapped and for price to retrace and correct the entire overnight move. That's essentially what I was looking for. So that was my game plan. When I came pre-market, I took some bad entries. I think I took an entry right over here. And I just got shaken out. I saw this upper wick here waiting to get filled, so I thought we were gonna break up a little bit and then push down. Yeah, so I took a series of bad entries here and got shaken out of my position. So I usually like to wait for market open, and I didn't follow that plan today. You know, part of it was me being lazy, trading micros. I wasn't gonna size up heavy at all today, so I think that caused me to be a little bit lazy with my entries. But as soon as market opened, I saw this strong 5-minute candle, but when I see a candle like this, where we have a strong lower wick and this candle completely engulfed the previous candle, and we ended with an upper wick up here, there's a high probability that the buyers in this candle are gonna get trapped. So when I saw price begin to retrace and correct this move right here, that's when I took my entry. So on that red candle, I saw buyers potentially getting trapped. I put my stops above that level right there. And my target was essentially looking on the 4-hour time frame. It was this previous swing high right here. But, you know, after having seen the market correct itself multiple times, I saw a strong selling pressure previously. And I saw that there was potential for price to really push down. But you know, I like to be conservative. I don't like to, you know, hold for too long in the markets, especially on a day like today where I didn't feel like I was in the right headspace. I sized down a little bit and I caught this move right here. So let me just show you exactly how the trade played out. I called this out to the team in the morning as well. So we went ahead and hit the profit target. I took partial profits up here, and my last position I got out right over here. And it did push down a bit further, but I was happy with catching this move right here. So that was the trade for today. Just to recap, I saw a higher time frame zone. On the 4-hour time frame, we were rejecting from this gap. Price broke out of this level, pushed down heavily. On the 30-minute time frame, same thing. I saw this gap and we tested it. We were selling off. The hourly candles showed a lot of weakness. We had 2 consecutive candles completely negating the buyers on this hourly candle right here. And I saw 2 weak candles right before market opened. So I knew the buyers in this wick could get filled out and taken out. So I knew there was potential for a strong breakout beyond this wick. And that's exactly what happened. So I followed the plan today. I had some bad entries in the morning, but you know, this win completely overrode all my losses. And that was the trade for today. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.